What's going on, guys? Before we get into today's video, I want to let you all know that the giveaway that I was doing has ended and the winner is Colton T. I want to say a huge congratulations to Colton. I've emailed him already letting him know he won the giveaway, so hopefully I can hear back soon. And thank you so much to everyone who entered. It really means a lot to me. And make sure to look out for more competitions that I'm doing in the future. Thank you so much again for everyone who entered, and congratulations, Colton. Thank you so much for listening, and let's get into the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is CardAttax. In today's video, I will be opening the Topps ATTAX Extra 2023 Eco Pack. In the Eco Pack, you get 3 packs of ATTAX and a limited edition. I get some pretty good cards all together, so make sure to watch the whole video. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I really hope you enjoy the video. That's pretty much it for today's video. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see anything new or any other types of videos. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.